Hi friends, in this video I am going to solve a few problems which were asked in Apset 2018 paper. Before going to start these problems, I just giving a small information regarding this channel. I am upload all maximum questions which were asked in Apset question paper. So one thing that you can do is to do that you have to subscribe this channel and follow so that you can get the updates from this channel. And if you have any problem that is if you have any doubts regarding the questions, a particular problem, you can comment on a comment section. Okay, now go to this question. The question is addition of 2 electrons to the bismuth cluster results in the change of structure type from. Okay, he asked it in the question, this bismuth cluster, if we add 2 electrons to this cation, this cluster would change from particular type of structure to another type of structure, that is closo to nido, or arcano to hypo, or nido to arcano. Okay, we have to solve this problem to see what answer it will get. Okay, before we start this problem, you have to know small points, that is in inorganic cluster 4n plus 2 type of structure, if it get, then it is closo type of structure. If it is 4n plus 4, then it is nido. If it is 4n plus 6, then it is arcano. If it is 4n plus 8, it is hypo. If it is 4n plus 10, it is clado. Okay, in this question he asked, is this bismuth cluster by the addition of 2 electron, it will changes to bismuth 5 1 that is a cation, bismuth 5 plus 1 cation. So for this we have to solve this bismuth 5 trication first. Look at this, bismuth belongs to 5th group. Okay, 5th group. So we have 5 bismuth atoms. So 5 into 5, which equal to 25, and we have 3 plus charge over this element, so we subtract 3 from 25, we get 22. So in this bismuth 5 trication having 22 electrons, if we calculate by this type of cluster classification, first in this all cluster type of structures, it have a common 4n, so we have to calculate 4 into n. Here n is the number of element, that is the number of atoms present, that is it have 5 atoms, so multiply 4 with 5, we get 4 5s 20. We already obtained the number of electrons in this cluster, that is 22. We have 4n, if number of bismuth atoms with 4, we get 20. So 20 plus 2 get 22, that means it is 4n plus 2 type of structure, that means it is closo. Okay, after that it changes to bismuth 5 plus, that means we already calculated bismuth 5 plus, that means 5 into 5, which is equal to 25, and subtract plus, that is it have a plus 1 charge, so subtract minus 1 from 25, then it get 24. So if 4n equal to 4 into number of bismuth atoms 5, we get 20. So we have 24 electrons in bismuth 5 monocation. So in this 24 electrons are present. We obtained from the formula 4n is 20. So remaining 20 plus 4, that is 4n plus 4. This kind of structure is nido. So it is nido. So finally that bismuth 5 trication changes to bismuth 5 monocation, that is closer to nido. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel so you can get more updates from this channel. Thank you.